A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wei Menshin and my student ID number A121230338. Today, I will present the result of my interview with a research person and English teacher whom I conducted via WhatsApp because they are out of town. So guys, let's try to the first topic. For the first question is, what is the most important thing about a professional teacher? And the answer is, a professional teacher is someone who is capable of leading and guiding their students, not only in intellectual aspect, but also in various aspects in their life. This is so that they can become individuals who are able to make changes and lead in the future for the nation and country. Therefore, a professional teacher is very important for education. Next, for the second question is, what plans does a teacher make before teaching? And she answered, when I'm going to teach tomorrow, I will certainly prepare my materials the night before. For example, I will create teaching aid or game if necessary, so that the student can understand what I explain, and of course not only the student but I as a teacher can understand what the material. For the third question is, what should a teacher pay attention to or do during the learning process? And the answer is, in the learning process, there are several things that can be observed and done. For the first, the teacher must master the materials being taught, so that can convey it well and can able to answer the question from their students. For the second, to teach in a non-monotonous way. It must be creative, so the students do not feel bored in the class. Then it is important to choose the right learning method, and of course, to choose media that are appropriate for the materials to be delivered, as well as to involve students in the learning process. For the last question is, what should a teacher do to make their students interested in English? So the answer is, in the learning process, especially in English lessons, of course, there is a sense of laziness and disinterest in learning English, because many students feel that the learning English are difficult. But we as a teacher must be try to make students interested in learning English. So there are many things and media that we can use to attract the student interested in learning English. For example, we can create topic or combine English learning topic with event or things interesting that are trending. If they like to BTS song, for example, we can use English music or song as learning materials. Or if they enjoy watching videos, we can play story videos in English. And maybe they like storybooks, we can use storybook or fairy tales in English to be told or read to them as listening media. And of course, there are many things we can use as learning media to attract students to learn English, tailored to their needs. So guys, maybe that's all from me, and thank you for your attention. See you!